Okay, sorry. He woke up, but he went back to sleep. I was able to zip my jacket, and I just need to be on the move. If we're on the move, then we are golden. We stop, and he wakes up and does his scary monster face that he's gonna scream. But yeah, this is the if you're gonna take a bus. So if you got off a train here and you decided to go somewhere else, like if you wanted to go into another part of town, you could hop on the bus here, one of the buses here or there, and I've done that before, and you can take the bus. There's the Cultural House. Like I said, it's really cool little cafe and theater, and like I said, kids can go there, and if they want to record music or do different things, it's really fun. Here's a beautiful old it's a beautiful old, I don't know what it was, I think it was a bank. Yeah, it says Spar Bank, but now it's a hotel. It's really beautiful. And this, I don't know if you can see it, it says TID. It's an old time capsule, and Adrian actually put something in it when he was in school, so that's really kind of cool. Another look at the Cultural House. Dance, music, cafe, theater. Oh, there's a pickup truck. You don't see those too often. Ooh, picking him up with one arm. You can kind of see there's the major where you buy your tickets and coffee and snacks, and you can see people getting off the train with suitcases and stuff because they probably just arrived here. Maybe they're taking a train to somewhere else, but they just got off the Öresundståg. So we're gonna go over here because it's warmer and see. There we go. Driving me bonkers. Uh-oh. He sees the sun. He doesn't like the sun. There's the train. It's fucking wheel. Let me see. Okay, hopefully I didn't. Oh well. The wheel is not very aggravating. We just bought this thing and it's making funny sounds already. Okay, so yep.